Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of update on the application of Rapid TV. We click on settings like this. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Rapid TV. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you.